Hey, my name is Matt. I'm here at MarineMax Gulf Shores. I'm going to be showing you today the 2022 Harris Sunliner 210. It's going to be our 21-foot pontoon boat. Comes with three 25-inch tubes. It's going to be powered by the 150 Mercury 4-stroke. It's going to have a 28-gallon fuel capacity. If you follow me up on the deck, we'll take a look inside. This is going to have the Performance Level 2 package, so it's going to come with your ski piling for all your water sports. It's going to have the rear lounger chair, faces the bow and the stern. You're going to have storage under all the seating. It's also going to come with LED lights around the deck and around the cup holders. It's got the optional luxury high chair, helm seat, Clarion audio, 2 speakers in the back, 2 speakers in the front. You're also going to have a very spacious storage space in the flooring. All of our Harris pontoon boats come with a 10-year bow to stern warranty, 3-year on the engine, and lifetime warranty on the flooring. Rated for 11 people comfortably.
All right, go ahead.
This boat is available now to enjoy on the water with your family and friends. You're going to have the oversized 12-foot bimini. Again, my name is Matt. I'm with MarineMax Gulf Shores. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.